We're here today at First Assembly of God Church out on 98th Street, and they've been great partners for Lubbock ISD, specifically through Hodges Elementary. But with their mission work growing and their volunteer base growing, they're now also working out at Honey Elementary. One of the largest things they do is a Good News Club, but over at Hodges, oh my goodness, sky's the limit. They do so many things for students and staff.
I try to emphasize to our church that the outreach to Hodges and to Honey Elementary School is not a Pastor Phil thing, even though I'm the outreach pastor. It's a First Assembly thing, it's a church thing. And all of us working together just to get the gospel out and to let people know that we love them and let them know that First Assembly loves them. At the beginning of the year, we provide school supplies with backpacks. We provide birthday cakes throughout the year for the staff. We do Thanksgiving baskets for families from Hodges. They'll choose the families and we assemble the baskets and then deliver them. We do a staff Christmas lunch for the staff, and throughout the year we do some little things for the kids too. Mrs. Jimenez has asked me at the beginning of the first and second semester just come and pray for the staff. When I go there, I always tell them it doesn't matter what church you go to, it doesn't matter if you go to church or if you're searching, if you're questioning. We just want you to know that First Assembly supports you, and we believe in what you're doing to raise up the next generation, and we just want to do whatever we can to help you, and so we just pray for them that God will protect them, because this is 2023 and crazy times, but that God will protect them, give them wisdom of Solomon, as they deal with children and teach them. We just want to say thank you to LISD and the ones that make these decisions for allowing us to do what we are doing today. So thank you very much.